This is the VIZIO 2.0 soundbar. Supposed to be ultra compact design, small but mighty. This versatile soundbar delivers louder, clearer, and better TV sound to any room. So these are the contents of the box. So you have the manual, and you have the sound bar, and then the accessories that came with it. So you have the connecting RGB wires and the remote, and that's gonna be your sound bar there. There's a control in the middle. So you have the volume, the power, the Bluetooth, and these are your connections at the back. So just showing you an overview if you want to see it before you buy. We'll show you the connections on the next video. Thank you.